We're setting up our finish line for the first of 3 heats this afternoon to see the next 3 winners who will go on to the final. You have a full field of 8. This is the 6th heat in your program. And let's introduce the field. Wearing the red bib at number 1 will be Bentley with Tejana Vukovic. Number 2 is Guinness with T. Mikowitz. Number 3 with the blue bib is Lady Monty for Susie Carter. Number 4 is Hera with the yellow bib, Jasmine Manier. Number 5 is Ace, representing the Cuff family. Number 6 is Dubert Braby. Dax Braby is the owner-trainer. 7 in the orange bib is Michael Christine Southall. And number 8, replacing Winnie, will be Herbert for Dax Braby. Full field of 8, Darling Dash Hounds, seeing who move on to the final. Starter Joe Gray giving them their final instructions. 8 in, they're ready to go for the 6th heat. And there they're off. Very quickly now is Ace. Ace is going very quickly and very confidently. Ace will win it. Herbert a close second, and Dubert Braby a game third. But the winner of the 6th heat, the 5 dog, it is Ace for the Cuff family. Once again, the winner of the 6th heat is Ace, who will be returning to the final today. And now Heat 7, parading as they head towards the starting gate in the red bib. Number 1 is Brownie, owner-trainer Tanya Decker. Number 2 with the white bib is Pocky Choi, owner-trainer Kelly Choi. Number 3 is Olive Tululu. Amy Hogg is the owner-trainer with the blue bib. Number 4 with the yellow bib is Trip, Tanya Ackerhurst. Number 5 in the green bib is Barron, Paul McKinnon. Number 6 in the black bib is Bean, Tamara Mikowitz. Number 7 in the orange bib is Bella for Holly Rajman. And the 8 in the pink bib is Alice for Ivy Thompson. Eight Darling Dash Hounds set to go. And they're off. And very quickly, Barron takes the lead as they come to the wire. Barron straight and true and wins the dash. Pocky Choi will be second, But the winner is the 5, Barron. He moves on to the final to declare our 2013 Wiener Dog Champ. Don't forget, we do have one more heat before our final today. It'll be following our next. All right, 8th and final heat. From the inside, we have Max, Zuka, Marmaduke, Texas, Garp, Rampage, Lenny. The outside stall, it's Frank the Tank. This is for the final spot in the final heat. 8th and final heat today. Starter Joe Gray has some guests to start them off. And they're off in the 8th and final heat, and Frank the Tank from the outside is quick. Lenny is trying to catch him, but it will be Frank the Tank. Frank the Tank gets there just ahead of Lenny. It will be a photo finish, but Frank the Tank is the winner of our 8th and final heat. Game performance by Lenny. And they'll line up this way with the red bib. Number 1 will be Dobie for Lori Ivanko. Number 2 wearing the white bib. The winner yesterday, it's Sadie for Ashlyn Sayer. Number 3 wearing the blue bib will be Roger for Nancy Spicula. Number 4 wearing the yellow bib will be Lola Spicula for Mark Spicula. Number 5 with the green bib is Sophie for Brenda Williams. Number 6 with the black bib, it'll be Ace for the Cuff family. 7 with the orange bib, it will be Barron for Paul McKinnon. And our last heat winner today, from the outside 8-hole, it'll be Frank the Tank for Nancy Hudson. We'll be crowning a new winner for 2013. Everyone's getting their final instructions from Joe Gray. Our special starter will be Mark Brand. Ready and set to go for the final heat. And they're up. Frank the Tank is moving through now with the win. Oh, a great job by Roger, number 3. Roger got through and got the job done. Frank the Tank was in that mix But our 2013 Wiener Dog winner will be Roger. Once again, a special thank you to all our Wiener Dog owners on this weekend for the winners, the Darling Dachshunds. But the 2013 champion will be Roger. Now with all of our final heat contestants in the winner's enclosure, let's turn it over to Matt, an assistant.
Thanks, Dan. Down here with Darren McDonald, our assistant general manager. We have Nancy and Roger, the triumphant dog here. We have a trophy presentation, but Nancy, you got to tell us first, what did you do to prepare Roger for this prestigious, obviously, lifetime achievement?
Roger retrieves nonstop all day and would do it all day, all night if he could. So he loves running.
Looks like he's not even blowing. Could go around again if you asked him to.
You know, he would love. Let's do it again.
What was the toy at the end that brought him home?
You know what? I think it's just me. No time for toys. It's like just get to where he thinks the ball is.
Well, perfect. Well done. Nice win there with Roger. We have a presentation as well as a nice voucher for you as well. And the important part, we got the cash voucher and the trophy. Thanks so much, Nancy. Congratulations. Hope we'll see you back next year. All right.